So I'm moving that away so that I can fit the screen behind. That's what I want to do. I want to put the screen there and mark it off. That's the idea. Right on my parallel. Okay, there we go. I think this will work fine. This is bookbinding plastic. It's just sticky on one side. I've put a sheet there, and I've put a big sheet there on the back, covering that, and the same over here then. And that's just to protect the material while I saw it. So I'm probably going to have a cutout bigger than the wheel, going up above there, across, and then down and back out. It's not great, but can't be helped. And up here, just going to cut around that thing there, along the bottom. Oh, there's the power lead. Yikes. And that power lead, I believe, is going to be on the outside. So maybe I'll just be running the lead through it. So I'll have to leave a little bit for that. And I have to leave a little bit for this switch here. That switch. Because again, the plexiglass is probably going to cross about there. So I need to be able to reach in and comfortably go like that. On and off. That's the plan. One thing I'm considering is the stuff I have on the fairing on my Ducati. It's got that rubber edging. I might use that around this when I'm done. Yeah, that would look pretty flash if I got that. There. Something like that. Okay, so that is off the end by 3mm, and that's the maximum it goes in. So really, it needs to be that same distance behind the wheel. That's what we'll do. Oh, idiot. So you see what I did? I only allowed for the handle, not the table. So that's going to be that corner. And this one doesn't really need one. And neither does that. Very slight radius. Whereas this one's going to be a proper turn. How about that? Coming in. I'm trying to wind it evenly. Well, of course I can go to the other side and start winding there, can't I? Because that's then out. I like the look of this 20 tooth flat. It's going to cut straight in there. Well, just cracks it. Just cracked it straight away. We'll try the finest one. 32 tooth. Okay. That's the one. Let's just try it. Pretty good. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Very happy with that. No problem at all. It's all over the floor. So this channel, and the point is it's got metal in it. Metal clips. Oh, this is a bit tight. Oh, fuck. Boy, that was hard. Okay, so the cable goes through. There and there. All right, that looks pretty good. So what I've done is here, all this, made this nice. Over the top there. Underneath for the plug. Pretty good. Keep the wall down. Yeah. Oh, good, I'm happy with that too.